Yeah, tried to do a rolling shutter thing there as I went. So I thought I'd start doing more van stuff. Remember, this is a movie place, not a van place. But I'm going to try and put this door on the toilet thing today. So this slides in and out. Do that at the moment, and then I'll make it all look pretty later. So I'm going to try and put this bit here on here, and then this will swing open and shut, and then you can just use the shower area. Got some aluminium here. I'm going to use that along like areas like that, so I can go against. So there's rubber stuff I think I'll put around the outside of the aluminium. Yeah, so this here will go around the edge of that, and then has this on the, so aluminium there recessed back, this foam stuff over the top of the aluminium, so a little bit more extra cushioning and waterproofing there. And then this little lining on the edge of the door to because when the shower runs, I don't want water to run back through this way, you know, especially on a day like today where I'm parked on this sort of an angle. That would be bad. And I can't really put much right on the bottom there. Maybe just a strip of this foam in case wheels go on there. But this bracket tends to hold quite well with some weight. I'm about 80 odd kilo. I think you'll be more than that, might be pulling down the hinge too much. Alright, better. So I've tried to work out a few ways to try and to do this. I was going to put the back in there first. Let me show you. So I was going to put the metal thing in here first, like the angle bit for the aluminium, so it'll butt against it. But then I couldn't quite work out how to work out how big to cut this thing. So what I've decided to do, again because I'm just making it up, is to run this stuff along it, get that thickness, and then whatever this is thickness for that, that'll be what I use as my and just sort of keep putting it in, taking it out, putting it in and take it out until I get it right. See what happens. These little things here run along the hole inside of these strips, so I guess it holds it together. It's not neat, but step one, so do that, and then see. Try and follow it as I go. So here's the idea. I know it's too big and it's going to be excess, but I figured whatever's left over from here, now I can't see what I'm doing, whatever's left over from here on this top edge, I'll just use that to adjust the length of that anyway. Looks like I've got to shave a bit off here. It's not quite letting it shut. See what happens. So I've just decided to mark about a 1/2 mil along this edge, and then try and cut it with what I don't know yet. My friend used a like a Stanley knife. I don't have a Stanley knife. I have this razor thing, but that's you know, that's not really going to cut it. So I think if I take that off, that'll put me in a good position to start. Then work it out from there. Once I work out this whole knife situation. Far out. I had a knife at one point. I don't know what the hell I did with it. Just remembered I had this fishing knife. Alright, let's see if I get a finger or not. Oh, that's sharp on the back as well, motherfucker. I'm just going to go light and constant. Like constant pressure, but light. And then do a few runs. See if that does anything. Man, this thumb would come off so fast now. So when my friend was doing this up in Queensland, who's insanely talented at all this sort of stuff, he just didn't go all the way through and then kind of scored it and then broke it. So I'm going to try and do that so that I'm not cutting all the way through. I'm going to try just bending it and see if that can make the metal